morning student. This is the class for 6th standard, subject social and topic name is geography first lesson, the universe and the solar system. Okay, so in previous class we have already seen how the universe will be created. Okay, and also today we are going to see about galaxy. Okay, galaxy in Tamil we can say it as a Vinmin Thiral Kootam. Okay, so it is a huge cluster of stars. Okay, which is galaxy is a huge cluster of stars. Here cluster means group. Okay, so cluster means the groups of stars will be there in galaxy. Okay, so the cluster of stars together by gravitational force. Okay, so the stars will be there. The cluster of stars will be together. They can form a will be form a group and also by the gravitational force. Okay, ஈர்ப்பு விசையினால அந்த நட்சத்திரங்கள் எப்படி இருக்கும் குரூப்பா தான் இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. Okay, next the most galaxies scattered. Here scattered means separated, split up. Okay, in space, but some remains in groups. Okay, so in most of the galaxies, okay, most galaxies mean most of the stars will be split up. Okay, scatter means தனித்தனியா இருக்கும், but some remains in groups. Okay, ஒரு சில நட்சத்திரங்கள் எப்படி இருக்குன்னா குரூப்பா இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. Okay, next Milky Way galaxy formed about 5 million years after Big Bang explosion. So after the Big Bang explosion, in previous class we have seen what is meant by Big Bang explosion. Okay, so after the Big Bang explosion only the which is formed, the Milky Way galaxy is formed. Okay, and also about 5 million years ago. Okay, 5 million years முன்னாடி this will be formed. Okay, next the solar system is a part in the Milky Way galaxy. Okay, so the solar system in Tamil we can say it as a சூரிய குடும்பம் சொல்லுவோம்ல, சூரிய குடும்பமே எதுல ஒரு பகுதியா இருந்துச்சுன்னா இந்த Milky Way galaxy தான் ஒரு பகுதின்னு சொல்றாங்க. Okay, next Andromeda galaxy and Magellanic Cloud galaxy are nearest to the Earth. Okay, physics also will be galaxies. Okay, Andromeda galaxy and also Magellanic Clouds galaxies are nearest to the planet of Earth. Okay. Okay, next one is hierarchy of the universe. Okay, hierarchy means we can say it as a order, or otherwise we can say the arrangement of the universe. Okay, so in universe first will be universe. Okay, and also next will be galaxy, and third will be solar system, fourth will be planets, and also fifth will be satellites. Okay, so after that we are going to see about we have seen already universe we have seen, and also galaxy we have seen. Okay, next one is the solar system. Okay, in Tamil we can say this is Surya Kudumbam. Okay, so the word solar is derived from the Roman word sol. Okay, so the word solar is derived, came out from the Roman word sol. Okay, the soul means sun god. Okay, what is the meaning of soul? Soul means sun god. Okay, next one is the solar system is formed 4.5 million years ago. Okay, so the solar system it is formed 4.5 million years ago. Okay, so the solar system gravitationally bound and comprises the sun, comprises with the sun, light planet, 8 planets and dwarf planets and satellites, comets, asteroids and meteoroids. Okay, so by the gravitational bound, okay, it is combined with the gravitational force, and also solar system is having, and also it is having 8 planets and also dwarf planets. We can say it in Tamil kurulai kolgal. Okay, next is satellites, and also comet means vaal natchatram, and asteroid means siru kolgal, meteoroids means in Tamil vin karkal. Okay, so with the force of gravitational force, okay, it is combined with these things. Okay, these are combined within the solar system. Okay, next one is the sun. Okay, after that we are going to see about the sun. Okay, the sun is a main. Okay, so the sun is the center of the solar system. We already know that. Okay, the sun only will be placed in the center. Okay, the center in the solar system. Okay, next each member revolves around the sun. Okay, here each member means planets. Okay, so the planets around the sun, okay, the planets, each members means each planets revolve around the sun. Revolve means சூரியனை நம்ம சுற்றி வரும் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஓகேவா. ஸோ the sun is a huge account of 99.8% entire mass in the solar system. Okay, here mass you already know that mass means space. Okay, so in the solar system and the sun occupies how much mass? 99.9%. Okay, it is occupied by sun only. Okay, and the sun is made up of extremely hot gases like hydrogen and helium. Okay, so the sun having extremely hot, extreme means ரொம்ப வெப்பமான என்னென்ன கேஸ் எல்லாம் உள்ளடக்கியதுன்னா hydrogen and helium gases. Okay, next sun is a star. Okay, so sun also considered as a star. Okay, why? It is giving bright look. Okay, next and sun is a self luminous. It gives light on its own. Okay, so here sun is considered as a self luminous. Self luminous means ஒளியை உமிழக்கூடியது அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. ஓகேவா. It gives light on its own. ஓகேவா. அதுவே என்ன கொடுக்குது? ஒளியை கொடுக்கறனால self luminous ன்னு சொல்றாங்க. Okay, and sun is a surface temperature. Sun surface temperature about 6,000 degrees Celsius. Okay, temperature will be 6,000 degrees Celsius. Okay, and the surface of the light and the heat energy. Okay, so sun is the sources of the light and also heat energy. Why? Sun only giving light. Okay, it only produces light and also giving heat. Okay, but the main sources of heat will be sun only. Okay, and entire solar system. So the sun only giving light and also heat energy to the entire solar system. Okay, next the sunlight takes about 8.3 minutes to reach the earth. Okay, so the sunlight to reach the earth means how many minutes it taking? Okay, 8.3 minutes to reach the earth. Okay, a light year is a distance. Okay, when I have to measure the distance travel by a light in a year at the velocity of 3 lakh kilometer per second. Okay, so light year they have measured the travel between the distance between the one planet and another planet by a light in a year. Okay, and also at the velocity of 3 lakh kilometer per second. Okay, next the sound travels at a speed of 330 meter per second. Okay, the sound also travel. Okay, in a per seconds, how much per seconds? 330 meter per seconds. Okay, next 1.3 million earths fit inside the sun. Okay, so imagine how the sun it will be. Okay, the sun is a very very big planet. Okay, the sun will be very very big one. Okay, so we can put how many earth? Okay, 1.3 million earth we can able to put inside the sun. Okay, so imagine that how the sun it will be very very big in size. Okay, thank you students.